Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can get your gas fee awaiting Hamster Kombat token launch and distributions. Okay, so before I quickly dive into that, if this is your first time coming across to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and as well share my videos. Okay, and if you are returning viewers and you are yet to subscribe to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and as well share my videos. Okay, so before we check into how to get this gas fee or also how to deposit your gas fee on Tone Wallet, you must first have your Bybit account set up or Binance account set up. Okay, so in these two exchange, or you can any other exchange at all, but this is the most famous exchange in the country for now. Okay, so we're gonna going to dive into that like right away. All you just need to do like right now is make sure you have some USDT available in your account. Okay, I've dropped some videos long ago on how to buy a USDT. Okay, so make sure you have some USDT available in your wallet. Okay, so what we just need to do now, we're going to click on this asset here. If you click on assets here, there is what we call a deposit and a withdrawal, but our focus right now is going to be on a withdrawal. Okay, so before I show you this, we'll quickly get to know how you can get your Tone coins on this very exchange. Okay, so one, you can either convert your USDT to Tone, right? You can either convert your USDT to Tone coin, or you can just go straight to buy. Okay, you can just go straight to buy. So if you want to buy a Tone coin, all you just need to do is to come over to the spots. Okay, is to come over to the spots. So if you come over to the spots, you're going to search for Tone coin. Okay, I'm going to search for what? Tone coin. So if it's not here, we're going to search for Tone. Okay, and it will be shown to you. Don't forget Tone slash USDT. So this is the current price of the Tone. Right, so what you just need to do is to use your available money, available USDT to buy Tone. Maybe you have 10 USDT, you're going to get 1.3 Tone, and if you have 5, you're going to get 0.6 Tone. Okay, you're going to get 0.6 Tone. So if you have 10, you're going to get 1.7 Tone. Okay, so you just need to click on buy and buy. Okay, so having purchased the Tone, this is what you just need to do. Come to the assets as I showed you earlier. If you come to the assets, you're going to click on withdraw. Because of what, you're going to go into withdraw the Tone you just purchased to your Tone wallet to be served as a gas fee. Okay, to be served as a what? As a gas fee. So what you just need to do is to click on it. You click on withdraw. After clicking on withdraw, you're going to search the Tone coin you have already purchased. Okay, so you search the Tone coin. Tone. Okay, I'm going to search the Tone coin. So I've been searching for the Tone coin. This is the Tone coin. So you're going to click on the tone coin. Okay, if you click on the tone coin, first it's going to ask you for the address book. Where do you want to withdraw the tone to? It's going to ask you for the network, which is already tone here. It's going to ask you for a tone, for a tag and a memo, which is optional. Then it's going to ask you for the amount of tone, for the amount of tone you want to transfer. Okay, right? So having done all of this, you're going to go to your tone wallet. Okay, let's go to the tone wallet. So let's quickly go to the tone wallet. So this is the tone wallet. All right, this is tone wallet. Okay, the tone wallet has been loaded. Okay, the next thing that you just need to do on this tone wallet to get your tone wallet address so that you can deposit the tone coin from the bybit. Okay, come to this receive. And then come to this receive, you're going to click on receive. If you click on receive, you will be provided by an address, with an address. You're going to click on copy. Okay, if you copy this address, then you will go back to your bybit account and paste the address. You see, I'm going to go into long press and paste the address. Okay, this is the address. This is optional, so I'm going to put 1.35 here. That was what I was given from there. So if I put 1.35, I am also going to receive 1.35. Okay, withdrawal fee is going to be 0.1 tone amount receiving settings. Okay, this is what I'm going to receive. And 0.1 is my tone fee. So the next thing we're just going to do, we're going to click on withdraw to withdraw this tone. Okay, so having withdrawn this tone, you come back to this very place to refresh. Okay, so the moment you refreshed, the volume you transfer here is going to appear here, or this will be added plus 1.36. Okay, so that is simple and easiest way to get to deposit your gas fee. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I would like to stop here. So if you do have any question, do well to kind of drop it at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.